5 plus 7 is 11 or 11?
11.
11. eGauteng nama-province ayingaki?
9.
eGauteng nama-province ayingaki?
7.
7. eGauteng inama-province ayingaki?
Awu-9.
Awu-9. Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Donna. We kill the stars, but the stars can't kill us because we're strong like a cow. If they didn't hear us, we don't care. But if you care, then you share. Okay guys, we will be asking people tricky questions to win the prize. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We love you. Please comment and like. We love you, Bafetu. Hey, it's your boy Donna. Today I'm here with Sabs Afidi. Shout out to Bafetu. So Sabs and Dota. Sinama question ay 3 ne. Waphendula correct. Oh, ni 50 rand.
Yeah.
So on.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Yeah, shoot match.
Yeah, sure.
It's about to go down.
5 plus 7 is 11 or 11?
11.
11. Hey, it's your boy Donna. Today ngobani? Lerato. So Lerato ngizokubuza nje ama question a simple ne. Ay 3. Waphendula correct uthole 50 rand. So ready?
Yeah.
It's about to go down.
So singaqala kula ma question ne.
Yeah.
5 plus 7 is 11 or 11?
Yo. Uncle Pinde.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
5 plus 7 is 11 or 11?
11.
11. eGauteng nama-province ayingaki?
9.
Unezinje eziwu-2. Unamakata awu-2. How many legs do you have?
2.
2. Yeah, shout out leyo ibambile. Counter 5 plus 7. So ready?
Yeah.
So 5 plus 7 is 11 or 11?
11.
11. 5 plus 7 is 11 or 11? Like 11. Okay, so yeah, ibambile leyo qala bafethu
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Ndendi. eGauteng nama-province ayingaki?
7.
7. Okay, bafethu uthe 7. Lindi unezinja eziwu-2. Unamakata awu-2. How many legs do you have?
4.
4. Hey, it's your boy Donna. Who am I with?
Lucky.
Yeah, Lucky. Should manje sifuna ukubuza ama question ne.
Sure.
Ay 3. Waphendula correct uthole 50 rand. So ready?
Sure, I'm ready.
It's about to go down.
5 plus 7 is 11 or 11? Sondele.
You sure? Pinda futhi ukugcina.
5 plus 7 is 11 or 11?
11.
Okay, so wafethu uthe 11. So Lucky. How many eGauteng inama-province ayingaki?
Awu-9.
Our 9. This question leyo ukuthi unezinje eziwu-2
Yeah.
namakata awu-2.
Yeah.
How many legs do you have?
12.
12.